In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to filter out pros in Canva. If you've ever been designing in Canva and keep clicking on elements that turn out to be pro only, it can get a little frustrating. You see something you like, you add it, and then you realize it has that little crown icon and you can't use it without upgrading. In this tutorial, I'll show you a simple way to filter your search results so you only see free options. This will help you work faster and avoid surprises later on. First, open any project inside the Canva editor. It doesn't matter what type of design you're working on. It could be a social media post, a presentation, or a flyer. Once your design is open, look over to the left side of the screen. You'll see the main toolbar with options like templates, elements, text, and more. The filter works in a similar way across these, but we'll focus on elements for this walkthrough. Go ahead and click on elements in that left toolbar. When you click it, a panel will slide open on the left side of your screen. At the very top of this panel, you'll see a search bar. This is where you can type in what you're looking for, like arrows, frames, shapes, or any style of graphic you want to add. Now, before you actually run your search, we're going to set up the filter. In the search bar area, look for a small filter icon, usually positioned toward the lower edge or side of that search field. Instead of pressing enter right away, click on that filter icon first. When you click it, a drop-down or pop-up panel will appear with different filtering options. In that panel, find the section labeled Price. Under Price, you'll see options such as Free and Pro. To filter out the Pro items, simply check the box for Free. This tells Canva that you only want to see elements that are free to use. Once you've selected free, click Apply to confirm your choice. Now you can go back to the search bar, type in the element you want if you haven't already, and press enter. Your search results will reload, and from this point on, you'll only see free elements. The pro items will be filtered out, so you won't accidentally choose something you can't use, and that's it. You've successfully filtered out pro elements in Canva, making it easier to design using only free resources.